Hey there, guys. Are you stumbling over what to say or do around women, trying to ignite the spark of love? Are you puzzled about what women want and what they value in a man, or how to make them feel cherished and secure in a relationship? I'm Adam Lane Smith, your go-to guide for everything relationships. I've been through the ringer and back in understanding women, and that journey led me to a wonderful marriage with the love of my life. Today, we're going to navigate the ins and outs of making a woman fall for you in a meaningful, wholesome, and respectful way. So guys, grab your notepad because this one's a keeper. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on golden nuggets of relationship wisdom. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Firstly, let's address the big question. How do you invite a woman into your life? It starts with a simple yet crucial principle: authenticity. Show her your world, the good, the bad, and the quirky. Share your passions, your dreams, and also your vulnerabilities. This doesn't mean you spill your darkest secrets on the first date, but show her that you trust her enough to let her see the real you. Believe me, nothing's more attractive than a man who is genuinely himself. But this isn't a one-way street. It's a journey of discovery for both of you. It's about sharing experiences together, going to your favorite places, introducing her to your hobbies, and even involving her in your daily routines. By doing this, she gets a glimpse into your life and how she fits into it. She needs to see that so that she can be a part of your world. Guys, right now, drop in the comments and let me know, what sort of life can you invite a woman into right now? If this is a black pill moment for you, let me know that too. You might need to fix your life before you can invite someone in. Don't forget, part of inviting her into your life also means showing interest in hers. Pick out what makes her tick, her passions, her dreams. Show genuine interest. It's a dance where both of you lead and follow. Showing curiosity about her life and her interests not only helps you understand her better, but also shows her that you value her individuality. It shows that you're not just interested in a woman, but in her specifically. Next, we step into the realm of honor and integrity, traits that are the backbone of any solid relationship. She needs to know she can rely on you, and that starts with being true to your word. If you make a promise, make sure you follow through. Show her that your actions match your words. Honor and integrity aren't about grand gestures. They're about small acts of honesty and respect that build up over time. Let's face it, guys, we are all human, and we're bound to mess up sometimes. That's where honor and integrity really come into play. If you make a mistake, own up to it. Apologize sincerely and show through your actions that you're committed to doing better. This will show you that you value the relationship more than your pride. Remember, trust is built on consistency, and nothing screams consistency like honor and integrity. All right, gentlemen, let's get personal. Sharing your needs with her. It's not always easy for us men to express what we need emotionally. We often feel like we have to be the rock in the relationship. But a relationship is a partnership, and just like she shares her needs with you, it's equally important for you to share your needs with her. Sharing your needs can range from discussing your need for space after a hard day to expressing a desire for affection and comfort. It helps her to understand you better and to feel valued and useful in the relationship. And here's the secret: it actually strengthens your connection. Vulnerability can be incredibly attractive because it shows that you trust her enough to open up. Remember, communication is key, and sharing your needs is a big part of that. And if you struggle with sharing your needs, I've got a video course that can help. My Attachment Bootcamp video course will make you a pro at discussing what you need without feeling weak or pathetic. You can get your desires met, plus build a relationship that can last a lifetime. Click the link in the description to pick up a copy of my course. Now let's delve into the realm of emotional availability. This may sound like a big, intimidating term, but it's actually quite simple. It means being there for her emotionally, especially during conflicts. It's about validating her feelings, even if you don't understand them completely. It's about being empathetic, understanding, and patient. When disagreements arise, and they will, it's important not to shut down or get defensive. Instead, focus on resolving the issue together. Cooperate, don't compete. It's not about who's right or wrong. It's about understanding each other better and growing together. The more emotionally available you are, the deeper your connection is going to be. Finally, let's talk about curiosity. Gentlemen, curiosity is the secret ingredient to keeping the spark alive. Ask her about her day, her thoughts, her experiences. Listen to her, not with the intent to reply, but to understand. Show her that you're genuinely interested in knowing her, not just on the surface, but deeply. Remember, the more you learn about her, the more you will find to love. And it's not just about the big things. Ask about the small stuff too. How does she take her coffee? What's her favorite book and why? Who's her role model? These little details can speak volumes about her as a person. The key here is to engage and show her that her opinions and experiences matter to you. This level of interest tells her that you've invested in her as a person, which can only deepen her feelings for you. So there you have it, guys. 5 golden rules to help her fall in love with you. Remember, building a relationship takes time, patience, and a whole lot of love. But with these tips in your pocket, you're well on your way to creating a meaningful, fulfilling relationship. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, true love is a journey, not a destination. So enjoy every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. And drop me a comment with your thoughts. Have you tried these things and did they work? Until next time, this is Adam Lane Smith signing off and wishing you love and happiness on your journey.